6 famous and authentic dishes of Assam. Assam, one of India's northeastern states, has its own distinct culture, lifestyle and dietary habits. Assamese cuisine is distinct and subtle in flavor. Now, if you are one of those who enjoy trying new meals and regional cuisines, you must travel to Assam and try their magnificent and delectable traditional cuisine, which will surely delight your taste buds. The recipes are distinguished by the fact that they prefer predominantly roasted and steamed foods. Rice is the state's major food, and there are many varieties available, including Joha, Saul, bora, japonica, basmati, and others. Mustard oil is available in abundance throughout the state and is used in practically every dish. Bamboo shoots, jackfruits, bananas, olives, and other fruits and vegetables are commonly utilized. They enjoy food that isn't spicy but has a lot of other rich spices like cumin, coriander, mustard, ginger, garlic, fenugreek, panch, foran, cardamom, and a few more. Bamboo shoots are commonly used to roast poultry and mutton, as well as to cook rice. Silkworm is Assam's most well-known and celebrated delicacy, and it is a must-try for anybody visiting the state. On special occasions, they also offer a variety of delicious sweet meals and sweets, like pithas, gur or kakia, gur or pies, coconut pithas, narikal pitha, coconut laddus, narikal laru, and many others. Assamese traditional cuisine is distinct, tasty, and delicious, and you will never forget it. Let's take a look at some delectable Assamese traditional local cuisine that you must try at least once in your life. Traditional Assamese cuisine. Try these authentic food of Assam. Masatenga. This recipe is non-vegetarian and ideal for the hot months. The term tenga means sour, and the sourness comes from the addition of tomatoes, dried mangosteen, lemon, raw mango, and elephant apple. Although the meal isn't very seasoned, fenugreek, 5 mixed spices, panch, foran, and mustard seeds are added to provide flavor. It's a sour fish curry with a delicate flavor that's best served for lunch or dinner. It also aids in the digestion of food. Aloo pitika. This dish is straightforward, resembling mashed boiling potatoes with a dash of Assamese flair. It is a comfort food and relatively quick to create side dish made by mashing boiled potatoes and cooking in mustard oil with added slices of onions, salt, and coriander. Tenga. This chutney is made with boiled mashed elephant apple, and jaggery and has a sweet and sour flavor. Duck meat curry. This is yet another gem that can take your breath away with a single taste. It's served only on rare occasions. It's usually made with ash grounds, although it can also be made with sesame, lentils, or pumpkins. Silkworm. Assam is notable for silkworms, as previously said. It's extremely tasty and crispy. Spices are added to the larvae during the cooking process to make it crispier. This is something that most tribal people have, and it is something that everyone should have. Ka. In the big traditional Assamese thali, it is considered the principal food item that must be included. The meal is non-vegetarian and is a meat delicacy made with raw papaya, taro, and pulses as the main ingredient. The following ingredients are then filtered through dry banana leaves to give it a distinct flavor. This particular meal is typically served with rice and is part of the lunch menu.